The following is a short tutorial on how to create an assignment Dropbox folder in D2L. The words Dropbox and assignment are being used interchangeably right now. Eventually we'll be using the words assignment. So to do this, you go to Class Tools, you drop that down, and you click on Dropbox, and eventually this will say Assignments. When you click on that, you are going to get this view. Once in here, you're going to see that I have 3 assignments created right here that students can submit to. And this language right here is basically a category. And categories allow us to organize our folders. And you'll see how that kind of plays out. So to start, you just click on the blue buttons. Remember, blue buttons are kind of guiding buttons in D2L. So when you click on New Folder, you're going to see that you just kind of scroll down the page and fill things in. So let's just say I wanted to have something on like natural disasters. Right? I want to have a project on that, and I want them to submit it through D2L. So I can say Natural Disasters Project. This is a really neat feature. It's an originality check. It will send it to Turnitin to check for plagiarization, and it will tell you how much comes from where. So you can just click on that, and it will do that for you. You'll see, and if you just scroll down, you can see individual or group folders. This is interesting categories. Because I have a language category created right there, there it is. But this is under my geography. So I just click on geography. If I needed a new category, I just click new category and create it. So I'm going to put this in my geography. Then if I go down, I can tie it into a grades item. That's if you're using the grades tool to organize all your grades. You can also just put a score. So if I marked it out of 100, you can attach a rubric. So if you've created a rubric in the rubrics tool, you can just click on that and make it. You can click on here and it will send you to a new window, and you can actually design it and link it all up. And you can see if you just keep going down, you fill things out. They also have a spot where you can do instructions. So you can put, like, say, your instructions or your expectations inside of here. Note that you can add videos and images inside of here, and students will see that. And attach files. You can change the submission type, so you can have unlimited or only one person could submit one file. There's all sorts of options in here that you have, but essentially that is it when you're creating the Dropbox folder or the assignments folder. So when you click Save and Close, you're going to scroll down and see under there's language, and there's the 3 we had, but here's geography, and here's natural disasters projects. Now you really need to pay attention to these icons. This one, this I that's crossed out, says folder is hidden. So if we drop this drop down, we can make visible to user. You need to have that visible if students are going to hand it in. And this one just says that you have originality check. So now this is all set up and ready to go. Now students would just need to submit. I want to show you a really nice thing that D2L has done though. So if students log in, and let's picture it from their path, they log in and you have to explain to students to go to class tools and look under geography, then find the natural disaster. That's a lot of steps that we don't need to do. So what they've done is this. In the news tool, if you were to create a news post to make it like one-click access for them, you could go in here and write hand in, right? And this tool right here is the quick link, and it links to every tool in D2L. So if I click on that, I can go down here and say, okay, there's my Dropbox or assignments. Once I click on that, I can look through and say, oh, there's Natural Disasters Project. Now remember, whatever you title this when you're creating it is what will appear inside of here. So I'm going to publish this, and you'll see that when the student logs in now, they log in and they say, oh, Natural Disasters Project. So I'm just going to show you what this would look like from their perspective. So if you go up to your name, you can see if you click on that, you'll get view as a student. So when we click on that, it actually gives us a student view of what they're going to see. So you can see down here, there's hand in. I'm going to click on Natural Disasters Project. And once I do that, you're going to see in here, it talks about, there's the folder name, there's the instructions that I set. Students can come in and they can add a file. So once they click add a file, you're going to notice you can come from My Computer, ePortfolio, OneDrive. You can also link these accounts up to Google, so you could submit directly from Google Drive, and I'll make another tutorial to show you that. But for now, we're just going to click My Computer and pull a file from my computer. So I'm going to upload the file. I'm going to find the file, so it's on my desktop, and there's my Natural Disasters Project. I'm going to submit that. I'm going to click Add. Student can leave a comment if they want, and then they can submit it. And once they're done submitting it, they can just hit done. And at this point, the students have now submitted a submission directly to you in Dropbox or assignments, and you can go grade it. So the following tutorial will be how to go in and assess that assignment. Thank you for watching the short tutorial on how to set up a Dropbox assignment folder in D2L.